Elgato Stream Deck, live content creation controller with 15 customizable LCD keys, adjustable stand, for Windows 10 and macOS 10.11. 15 LCD keys, tap to switch scenes, launch media, adjust audio and more. Fully customizable, personalize keys with custom icons or choose from hundreds. Direct integration, control game capture, OBS, XSplit, TipeeeStream, Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, and more. Easy setup, simply drag and drop actions onto keys in the app. Unlimited control, nest folders within folders to store as many actions as you want.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the door close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my